So hi my beautiful people, good day, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so a while ago I came here and in this same spot and I was crying about how my edges were almost non-existent because of a hairstyle that I did. In today's video you could see that my hairstyle, my edges are filling in so beautifully. Like, I'm coming. And I'm here to share with you guys practical steps that you have to take to grow back your edges, okay, without doing so much. Step number one is to prepare your hair. Put your hair in a hairstyle that you know that you can carry for long. Put your hair in a hairstyle you know you're comfortable to carry for as long as 4 weeks and above. 4 weeks, 6 weeks, even 8 weeks. Okay, now why does this work? Putting your hair in a long time hairstyle or long term protective hairstyle is going to keep you from constantly brushing and combing and touching your hair. That way you're not manipulating your hair, you're just leaving your hair to rest and recover. Okay, so that's the first step that you have to do. Put your hair in a good hairstyle that you're comfortable to carry for as long as possible. I will recommend a hairstyle without extension. This one I added extension, as you can see. I added kinky extension. So I will recommend that the hairstyle you choose to do should be the one without extension. Let it just be with your own hair if it's possible. If it's not, then if you want to add extension, do wherever you choose, but make sure, please, let me beg you, sister, please make sure that the hair is not tight on the roots. Make sure that there is no tension on the roots. Like the day I made this hair, as soon as I finished, I was not even feeling anything. It was like I just packed my hair or something. There was no tension at all, and that's one thing why I like this hair. I hope it doesn't cut my hair because I'm about to take it down and it's so bushy right now. So bushy. Step number two is to moisturize your hair. Moisturize your edges, alright? And now you can choose to use ordinary water to moisturize your edges if you wish. That is just your own. That's just you. For me, I like to infuse my water with herbs so that I will get the added benefit. But if you choose to use only water, I don't know, it is your own, right? But then the reason why I want you to moisturize your hair is because it is vital for the next step that you're going to take, which is massaging your hair. However, you can literally massage your hair dry, right? You can choose to massage your hair. As I'm talking to you now, I can choose to be pressing my hair like this. It is fine. But hydrating your scalp and then massaging it with a good oil, I feel like it's going to make is going to be a game changer. I'm telling you the steps that has worked for me. The funniest part is the fact that I'm not even consistent with massaging my scalp, and yet the thing feel dull. Look at, do you get? If you did not take anything away from this video, I want you to take away two things. Number one, put your hair in a hairstyle that you're going to leave it alone for a while. I mean a while. And then number two, massage, massage, massage. If you want to use oil, fine. If you want to use anything, fine. If you don't want to use anything, fine. But massaging is very, very important. I would suggest that you just follow the steps I'm telling you now, right? The first being put your hair in a protective style. The second being moisturize your hair. Then the third being that you should massage your scalp with oil. All right, so you're using oil to seal the moisture that you put in your hair, and then while you're sealing the moisture, you're pressing the oil in. You don't even need to do too much. You can use a hair grease instead of oil. You can use any sealant to do this part. If you can afford castor oil, I've heard that it is perfect. If you can get a plain original coconut oil, even if you do not infuse it with any herb, is good too. Just use whatever works. Here I'm not telling you to use a particular thing. Oil is oil, grease is grease, like hair pomade that you use on your hair. Anyway, just use anything that is okay, that you're using on your hair already, that you're comfortable with, okay? And then use it to massage your scalp. The last part that you have to do is to make sure that you're covering your edges at night. And all you just need to do is to wear your bonnet. The bonnet with a certain material that will not leave your hair feeling dry. Because oftentimes when you are sleeping, when you're lying down or anything and you're rubbing off your edges and all of that, is going to still help affect your hair. Now I'm going to share 2 bonus tips. Number 1 is, please run away from gel. For now that you're trying to grow up to your edges back, please run away from gel. Don't slay your edges, don't touch it. Just do this process and leave it alone. Don't gel it, okay? And then number 2 bonus part is, that we are what we eat, right? So nothing is going to work on the outside if your inside is not healthy. So if you're having any medical related issue, just make sure that you treat it first. If you are deficient in iron or wherever, just treat yourself internally and eat balanced diet. You need your blood working, you need your protein and all of this intact. If your system is okay, if you're okay internally, any other thing you're doing externally is going to help. Your body is going to magically just release it. Like if you're okay internally, right, you're going to just see results. Even if you only put your hair in a protective style and leave it alone, you're still going to see results if you're okay internally. Do you get? But if you're not okay internally, even if you be dipping your hair inside hot oil, it's not going to work. Call work. Okay? So my sisters, I said, let me quickly come and do this short video. I don't know if it's short or long, to help somebody out there, because these are steps I've been taking that has been working for me. But now I want to make it as practical as possible. Now, how often should you massage your scalp? I'm not going to answer you that. Why? Because your sister is not consistent. I am not consistent. I'm not coming here to come and lie to you. I'm coming here to come and share what I've done that's worked for me. I am not consistent, so I won't be the best person to tell you do it every day or do it every other day. But if you want my recommendation, that I can do. I will recommend that you do that at least a few minutes every day. It could be in the morning or in the night. Me personally, I think I like to do whatever treatment at night. But if it's morning that works for you, if it's afternoon, if it's evening, I don't care. But once a few minutes every day will give you magical results, because massaging helps to stimulate blood flow. Why is it that this part is very difficult for me? Massaging helps to stimulate blood flow, and then even if your follicles are dormant, if you're massaging, as long as they're not dead, if you're massaging your scalp, it's going to bring out new hair eventually. Okay. All right guys, I hope that this video helps. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment in the comment section if you find this video helpful. I'm waiting to hear from you, and I want you to do this for the period of 1 month and come back. There's no how. If you're okay internally, like you're not sick, you're not deficient in anything, your balance diet is balanced, your body system is balanced. Let me tell you something. There's no how you're not going to see results if you do these steps I just shared now. If you do these things I just shared with you now, within 1 month, you're going to see results. Even if it's small thing coming out, but you're still going to see results. Okay, there's something else I want you to do. I want you to take a picture before you start, and then after 1 month, look at the picture, because sometimes we'll not know that it's working because there's nothing to show for it. But if you have a picture before and a picture after, That will help you to see, even if it's a small thing that comes out. Once you see that okay, it's actually working, you can now double your hustle. Do you get? That's why it's good to have a picture. It's going to help encourage you. A documentation or something. It's going to help encourage you. Okay? Okay? We are growing this thing together. I mean, anyway, you guys wish me luck. Oh, I'm losing this hair today. And come and join me. Oh, I'm losing it with you guys today. I wanted to do like a Q&A, but now I don't have. I'm feeling sick. Are you hearing my voice? So I'm just going to put the camera on and start losing the hair. And let's see. And I'll see you in that video or any other video that comes after this. Okay? Yeah, take care of yourself, remain blessed, and I hope that these tips really helps you recover your edges. Please run away from tight hairstyles for now and forever, please. Okay? Love you. Please let me ignore any sound that you might be hearing, and ignore how big my face is.